Hello guys, this is your 12th 3 days max class. So in this class we'll learn about some extra modifiers like noise, wave, ripple, relax, like that thing. So these are extra modifiers which will be helpful in making detailed things. So once we practice these modifiers, we'll know where we can use such kind of modifiers. So now let's start with this class. Okay, guys. Now, first, let's create a plane like this. Now, go to modify and just increase the segment like 100, 500. Okay. Now, just turn on the edge faces. So, we have 100 by 100 segments. Now, just go to modify list and type N. So, we have noise modifier. Just click on noise. So, now, just go to parameters, just see how we can change. Go to z-axis in the strength. Okay. Using noise, we'll create something like a water kind of effect. So just click on Z so that it will move on the z-axis. Just give an amount. See, the thing is, the plane is slightly changing as I increase the value. See, keep noticing it. So it is increasing like this. Just keep it like this. Okay, once I have given a value in the strength, like on the z-axis, now let's go to noise. Here in noise, I'm reducing the scale. When I reduce the scale, see it is creating something like water kind of. See, like this we can also create mountains. Like this we can also create mountains. So just decrease this z value. Now it looks like a water kind of effect. Now again reduce the scale. And again reduce this. Just adjust these things. See, like this, we can create a water kind of effect. It looks like a realistic water. So if you have a place like a swimming pool in your design, or it's something like a pond, so at that places just create a plane. For example, now let's create it using line. If we have something pond like this, now just go to modify. We'll create a shell thing. Now we have created shell. Now increase the segments. So once we have draw a line, any kind of shape, then even reduce the outer amount as much as possible. Let it be half. Now increase the segments. So the segments is applied over here, but now over here. So the thing, what can we do? Okay, let's try one thing, guys. Go to edit poly, click on polygon. Just click on this thing, and we have something called tessellate option here. Just click on this. Keep clicking on this. So like this, we can increase the segments and delete this. And now go to shell and reduce the segments. Okay. Okay, let's keep it like 100. Now go to polygon, click on one and press Ctrl A to select them. Now let's try and see how noise works. Now let's see how this noise command works here. Press N and apply. Now we have something. We need to work on z-axis first. Let it be like this. Now decrease this and reduce this. Again, increase this. Okay, reduce this also, decrease it. Again, reduce it. Now reduce this. So see guys, like this, if you have a pond kind of thing or swimming pool kind of thing in any kind of shape, using line tool, we can draw that particular shape and then giving a shell to it, thickness, and then just you can increase the segment of any kind of shape using selecting the polygon and just giving tracelet. Once increasing the segments here, and then you can give a noise effect on this and create a water kind of effect on the surface. Like this, we can use this noise command too. So we'll see the next thing, wave, ripple, and relax. So now let's create a plane. Go to geometry. Let's create a plane here. Just move this that side. Now let's create one plane. And now let's apply wave command. Go to modify. Just press W. So here we have wave. Just click on wave. So under wave we have these parameters: amplitude 1, amplitude 2, wavelength, phase, and decay. So first let's apply amplitude 1. So when we increase the amplitude 1, it is like this. Okay. Now if we increase the amplitude 2, it becomes like this. If you decrease, it becomes like this. If you reduce it, it becomes like this. If you increase it, it becomes like this. So let's keep it like this. And now wavelength. So if you reduce the wavelength, it becomes it reduces the wave. The length of the wave will be reduced. If you increase the length of the wave, will be huge, big. So let keep it like this. Now face. It just moves the surface. Just moves. Now decay. So if you increase the decay, if you keep the decay to zero, uh, the effect will be much higher. If you increase it, the effect will be lesser. So like this. So now let's again create a different plane. Now let's create it like this. And go to modify, press W and click on wheel. Now let's give an amplitude like this. And let's give this Just reduce the wavelength like this, and now reduce this like this. Let's keep it as a 5 minutes. And now see the difference. If I decrease the amplitude, it becomes like this. If I increase, it becomes like this. So that's the difference. So like this, we can make uh, something like on the interiors or on the exterior facade to create something interesting facade. We can use such kind of tools, commands to make the facade look interesting, like this or like that. Even on the interior, like some places on the interior thing, like a tipa. For a tipa, below the tipa, we can create something like this. So above it, we can just place a glass. So let's keep it like this for now. Okay. And now just click on rotate, turn on the angle snap, and just make it as a 90. Close it. And now just rotate this. Move it. And now let's adjust it a little bit like this. So increase it like this. Now see like this. Uh, See in the previous class we saw one tool that we created one tool called cloth brush, polycloth. Now just use this. Click and just try to make it look like a curtain, like this. Like this curtain. Like this, we can create uh, something like a realistic curtains. Just using a plane and making it 100 by 100 segment, and then just using this wave command, applying the wave command and just adjusting that amplitude one, amplitude two, and then using this polycloth brush tool to give a effect of realistic curtain. Or just turn off the edge faces and see. Now let's adjust it. Little bit like these guys. Like this, using wave command and this cloth polycloth, we can create something like this. So now let's see this different other command, that is repel. Now again, let's create a plane. See, we have kept 100 by 100 um, length segment and width segment. And now go to modify and just type R. The repel is there. Just click on ripple. Now again we have an amplitude. Let's increase on amplitude. So like this something will have effect now. Okay, let it be like this. And let's see this one. Okay. So it creates like this. Let it be like this. And now if we reduce the wavelength, the ripple effect will be seen. Just let's see like this. So let's keep it like this. And now let's decrease. See, like this, we can create a ripple effect on water kind of thing. If we have a water pond and that surface is just throwing something object in the water, then like this we can create a ripple effect. So like this guys. And let's change the face. It just moves the object like here. Now decay. Okay. If we reduce the decay, it reduces the effect. If we increase the decay, it reduces the effect. If we keep it to zero, it has a very huge effect. So this is what a ripple does. And now let's see what relax is. Just remove this. We can create different kind of shapes using this noise thing. See, we just used it on the z-axis. We can also try it in the y-axis. So let's create a block here like this and set the segments 100, 100, 100, like this. Okay. And now go to modify, press N, noise. So in the previous thing, we just used z-axis to create like this noise effect on the plane. Now see what y-axis does. Just give a value on the y-axis. Let's see how the shape changes. Okay, let it be like this. See, the shape is almostly changed on the y-axis. If I keep it to minus, it will move this side. Shape will be changed towards this side. So let it be this side, or let it be like this. Now let's see, let's reduce the scale. See, something like this. Now reduce it or keep it like this. And now again reduce it. See guys, like this. On the y-axis also, we can create something like this. Now if you increase this, it has something changed. Let it be like this. And now just increase it. So like this kind of shapes we can integrate. In the same object, we'll just give a value to the x-axis. Let's see what happens. See, See, like this, we can create something different kinds of shape. So, like this also, we can utilize it on both axis X and Y axis. And now let's see the next thing is relax. We saw this is noise, this is wave, and this is a ripple kind of it. Now we'll see what relax do. Just go and create a box and let it be like this. And now go to modifier, just type R. See, we have a relax. Just apply this. And now we have a value. Okay, this is allowed till 0.5 or let it be zero point 0.5 and now give an iteration value. See, this is this relax just smoothens the edges, corners. So now just increase it or decrease it. If you keep this relax value 0, it will be sharp. If you keep to the maximum of 1 and then try to increase this. So it has a smoother edge surface like this. So like this, we can create sofa cushions like that. Got hand right now. So don't pick on this. It is getting hand. So see guys, like this kind of thing we can get. If you reduce the segments, we'll get much more good effect on this. Now again, let's create a box and let's go to modify and reduce the segments to 50. Height segment can be much more lesser, like 27. Now let's try the same thing guys. Now go to modify, press R, relax. Now just increase it. Now this also increase. See guys, now we are getting a proper effect. Let it keep it up to 1000. See guys, if we give the segments properly, just analyze it and give the segments properly, we can get the smoother cushion kind of effects. See, in this we have so many segments, so we couldn't get that effect in which we are getting in this. So now just select this, make a copy, just type like two instance. Okay, and again make a copy. Okay, and rotate this. Yes, like this we have created something like sofa cushions. Just turn off the FCC like this. It looks something like a realistic sofa cushions. So like this, we can create just creating a box and then just applying this relax modifier to give a smoother effect for sofa king cushion or any kind of cushion like that. So till here, try this out, guys. We'll continue within few minutes. Till that, try these other three things. We have tried this noise thing, but here also try this noise with use X direction as well as Y direction, and then just try the other commands: ripple, relax, and wave command. So pause this video and try this out, guys. We'll continue in few minutes. Thank you. Okay, guys, now let's continue with the final part of this class. Now we'll see how to create pillow using that cloth thing. As already we saw the bedsheet kind of thing in the previous class, how to drop a bedsheet and how to create a curtain using that cloth modifier. Now we'll see how to create a pillow using that cloth modifier. So also we'll see how to create like now we see how to create this sofa cushion with a simple method like creating a box and after that just giving a relax command to smoothen the edges. Now we'll see how to create a sofa cushion with that holes dot holes on that. Now like that we'll also see how to create that. So now firstly we'll see how to create a pillow. We'll also see on the compound objects we have a loft tool. What loft tool is all about, we'll that also we'll learn. So by this, we'll after learning this, we'll end up this class. Okay, guys. Now let's start how to create a pillow. So first, create a box um, like this, and go to modify. Just make it like a 3 feet, and this as a 2 feet 6 inch, something like that. And give this one thickness as just 1 inch. Okay. Now keep the length segment as 35 square, 35. Let it be like this. So then with 35 height, let it be 15. Let it be like this, guys. And now go to modify, click C, press C, clock. Just click on clock modifier. And now come down. Just if just make sure this gravity is off. Just if this is like blue thing is highlighted, that means it is on. Just click on this, it is off now. And now here, make sure self collision is on. Just make sure this self collision is on. Just check that self collision is on, and then come up. Now click on object properties. Now select this selected already the box is selected. So select on box and here click on cloud, and then under the presets, click on cotton. And here you have a pressure. Just give a pressure value of 45. Now click OK. Now just see guys. Now come back to this modifier. You have stimulate local. Just click on this. See guys, that's all. Now just again press escape or else again click on this stimulate local. So like this we can create a pillow guys. Now again just give edit body. Now you have to select the edge. Just double click now to select the whole thing, and then right click, give extrude to give a realistic effect. Now just extrude it like this and give a thickness. So let it be like this and give tip. And now just go to modify, add turbo smooth. Press T, add turbo smooth. So like this, we have created a pillow guys. So in this way, we can create a pillow. And now the next thing is we will see how to create a sofa with that a dot things will come up like that. Further, just create a plain node. Take a square plane and now go to modify. Turn on the edge faces. Okay, let it be like this. And now go to modify and click on edit point. Now under edit point, select vertex. Now select these vertices. Give a right click, extrude. Now extrude it like this and give a minus value like this. And now click on it. Just select this and now click on loop. Under the edge, click on loop. All the edges will be selected and then give a right click and give an extrude. Now just give an offset like this. Minute thing. Okay, like this. This is enough. Click. And now again click on vertex. Click this both at the bottom and the middle one. And now just come down. Click on collapse like this. Now we have to apply turbo smooth. Go to modify, press T. Now click on turbo smooth. Now give iteration value of 3. Now that's all. Like this we have created it. Now again select this and click on border. Click on border view. Just make sure now click on border and then um, press shift. Okay, now to give a thickness to it, just press shift and move downwards. See, press shift and move downwards like this, like this, and again press shift and move downwards like this. And now give a cap like this. Now turn off the edge faces. See guys, see guys, like this we can create a sofa cushion. So just try this out, guys. Like this, we can create a sofa cushion. And one more thing, now we'll see loft print. So again, come here, go to 2D shapes, create something like circle. Let's create a circle here, like this, and create another circle like this. Now create a line. Just make it sure corner and corner is selected. Now create a line here. Let it be like this. Now rotate this corner. Maybe just rotate this corner and move it upwards. Now, just uh, go to compound objects here. Let's go to compound objects. Let's see what loft is. We saw scatter, we saw propylene, boolean, and now we'll see loft. These things we saw in the previous classes, like 4 or 5 classes before. We saw what scatter, propylene, boolean, things. Now we'll see what loft is. Just click on this loft. Now, having this line selected, we just click on love. So this line is a path now. Here there is something called get path, get shape. Now the path is this line. We selected this line and just clicked on love. So we don't need to select path now. Already it is selected. Now the thing is we have to select get shape. So before that, just click on get shape. We select this and at 100. Now click on get shape. We select this series like this at the zero. This is zero path. This is a path line. The center is a line which is a path. The zero is above. We at the zero we had this circle, and at the completion of the end this is called 100. So we gave this circle. So like this we can uh, convert using loft. We can change the shape. So not only this, let's try with some other shapes. Just go to shapes. Now let's create a star. Let it be like this. Okay, let it be like this. Now let's create an ellipse like this. Now create a line. Let's create a smooth corner and smooth. So now let's press shift and drag it like this. To use the corner and smooth, okay, click on the line and then click on corner and smooth. Okay, click on corner and smooth. And now click here, press shift and drag up like this. And now leave the click and just click it here. Now press escape. So we got a curve thing like this. Now press on rotate, just rotate it like this. And now rotate it like this. So this is our path. Now this is our path. Now go to geometry, compound objects, click on lock. So now we already got a path. So just select get shape and 0 0 get shape and 0 I'm selecting this. So it is getting something like this. At 100 get shape I'm selecting this. So see guys, it transform the things like this. It changes the shape from this to this. So we by clicking this, we can change the path. So the X point shows the ending 100 point. So by clicking this, we can make this as 100. So like this, we can change the path guys. Now let's try another thing. Now again, create a path by corner. Clicking on corner, we'll create another thing. Line. Select this object. Now click on mirror. You copy instance object. Now just turn on the vertex. Okay. Now just move it and paste it here. Now turn off the just select this node and click on segment. Delete this. This is already a line, so we don't need to give edit on it. Just directly go to a line and just select a segment and then say delete the center line. And now click this and rotate this. Okay, just go down and click on attach and click this and Let's create, just trace it. Let's trace this already drafted trace to make it as one entity. This is, we are not able to join this for line. Uh, we cannot attach it for a line. I tried it, but it's not getting attached. So let's again trace it and make it this using line. Let's trace this and make it as one entity. Then we'll try to log it. Mm. Now this is the shape that we are going to use in the log. Now just delete this. Now let's create another line. Just create it using corner to corner. Without before we created corner and smooth. Now just create corner and corner. And now let's try this. Now go to modify. Click on vertex. Now let's click on fill. Press here fill. Like this. Now come to compound objects and click on log. Now click on get shape. Let's click on this. Rotate this and select it. Because like this, we can draw something like this. Now let's rotate this in this way. Okay. Get shape. Click on it. Okay, guys. Like this, finally we got it. So like this, we can create a pathway like a bridge thing. Like a bridge we can create, or even we can create a row with these things the side. Like this, we can create a bridge. So this is what I was trying from the beginning. But the thing is, we have to draft this thing in a vertical way to get a horizontal way. So if you want this shape to be like this, if you want this to be as a bridge, then you have to draw this shape as a vertical way. Then only we will get something like this. So in Swift, we have a mirror thing over here, but here in the logs, we don't have the option. So we have to try in this way to draw. Okay, guys. So that's all for this class. Just try this everything. Just try this all guide. Try how to make a pillow and then try how to make a sofa cushion like this, and then just try this loft tool like this, trying something like this. Okay, guys, that's all for this class, and we will start creating projects from next class onwards. So till here, try this all things, guys. Thank you.